First of all, open YouTube Creator Studio and from the left menu items, choose Settings. Then the channel. When you go to the channel settings, you will notice that the channel branding options that used to be here is no longer available in the new YouTube Studio. So how will you create and add a YouTube branding watermark for your channel? That's something you will learn in this video. Hey Digital Learner, I'm Rahul from learndigitalwithrahul.com, and in today's video I'll guide you step by step on how to create a YouTube branding watermark and add it to your channel. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel and tap on the bell icon so that you never miss an important tutorial like this one. Alright, now without any further delay, let's get started. For those of you who know nothing about YouTube branding watermark, I have already discussed this in a previous video. Click on the card above to watch that. And if you already know what is YouTube channel branding watermark, then let's proceed. In order to add a YouTube branding watermark to your channel, first, you need a watermark image. You must simply search for the subscribe button square in Google and you will get a handful of images that you may use as a watermark on your channel. But the problem with these images is, some of them are subjected to copyright and you need to avoid using such images. Also, since the image is available for everyone, these images are widely used by many channels. So I would recommend you to create your own image for branding watermark. And if you are wondering how, then let me show you step by step. Simply visit canva.com and sign up for a free user account. Canva is a web-based graphic design tool that allows you to easily create any kind of graphics without any graphic design skills. Once you are logged into your account, simply click on Create a Design and you will get various dimension options to choose from. The recommended dimension for the YouTube branding watermark image is 150 by 150 pixels. So I'll choose the custom dimension option and enter 150 by 150 as width and height. Then click Create Design and it will open a new blank canvas of the custom dimension we selected. Here on the left, we have all the tools. Let's change the background color. Then add some texts. While adding text, make sure it's something attractive, like a call to action. Now adjust the text to make it look good. You may drag it here and there and even pinch from the corners to adjust it. Further, you may change the font to your liking. I like this one, so I'll keep it. You may also increase or decrease the text size, change its color, and do many more things. Alright, now let me add the subscribe button. I'll simply click on Elements and search for the subscribe button. If you scroll down, you will notice that Canva has got various subscribe buttons, but not all of them are free. Some of these are premium and they might ask you to pay for premium images. But since we are on the free plan, so we will choose the one which is free and then adjust it to make it look good. Alright, now this looks awesome. And once done with the editing, it's time to export the image. Simply click Publish and choose Download from the various options. This will provide you the option to choose the file type. Make sure it's PNG. Finally, click the Download button and this will download the image to your computer. So now that you have created YouTube branding watermark image, it's time to add it to your channel. Simply go to YouTube Creator Studio again and from the left menu items, scroll down until you see Customization Settings. Simply click on that and it will take you to the same YouTube branding options that earlier used to be within Channel Settings options. Yes, in the new YouTube Creator Studio, it has moved here. Now go to the Branding tab and scroll down to the Video Watermark options. Here you simply need to click Upload. Then choose the image that you just created and downloaded on your computer. Now Here, you may choose the display time to customize whether you want to display that watermark at the end of the video or after a custom time, say 5 seconds. I like to show it throughout the entire video, so I'll choose this one and then click the Publish button at the top to save the settings. That's it. Now you have successfully created and added a new branding watermark image for your channel. You may open one of your videos in the incognito window to check and confirm. So that's how you can create a YouTube branding watermark for free. By the way, if you want to learn YouTube SEO strategies to grow your YouTube channel, visit youtubeseoacademy.com to download a free YouTube SEO checklist. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please hit that like button and subscribe to the Learn Digital with Rahul channel on YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll try my best to help. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning from these videos and feel proud to be a #digital learner.